Hi everyone, welcome back to Jack Reddington's channel. Jack's still taking some time off, so it's your favorite stand-in host here, keeping things on track and making sure the trading tips keep coming. If you enjoy learning proven strategies to sharpen your results, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Today, we're talking about one of the most valuable tools in your short-term trading toolkit, the recovery strategy. This is how you take a trade that's gone against you and give it a real chance to come back into profit without blowing your account. If you've ever been stuck watching a red position and wondering what to do, you're going to want to hear this. Quick reminder before we get started. This video is purely for information and entertainment. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research and speak to a financial professional before making trading decisions. So what exactly is the recovery strategy? In our Signal CLI approach, it's a controlled method of doubling your position size, either once or in steps, to shift your average entry price closer to the current market price. Done correctly, this can turn a losing position into a break-even trade, or even a profitable one once the market moves back in your favor. The key to making recovery work is timing and structure. You don't apply it to every losing position. That's a fast track to compounding mistakes. Instead, you wait until volatility has cooled, price action has clearly settled, and a new, well-defined range between support and resistance has formed. That gives you a logical framework for re-entry, so you're adding to your position in a controlled environment rather than during chaotic swings. Equally important is your initial bet size, leverage, and margin. Remember when we talked about small bet size, high leverage, and ample margin? This is where that trio really matters. Your bet size should allow you to comfortably double it at least 5 times before reaching an uncomfortable level. If you can do that, you're well positioned. If not, you need to rethink one of those 3 factors: leverage, bet size, or margin. That doesn't automatically mean the trade is a lost cause, but it does mean you'll have to adjust leverage on the live, open position to keep control. It's doable, but it's a far more cumbersome and less efficient process. Here's a simple example. Let's say you opened a small 5-hour long position on ETH USDT with high leverage but plenty of margin buffer. The market drops, your trade goes red, but you can see from the updated chart structure that the drop is losing steam and a bounce is likely. You double your position size, cutting your average entry price much closer to the current market level. When the bounce happens, you don't need a massive move to get back to break even, and any move beyond that is pure profit. This works beautifully with the Signal CLI method because our trades are small relative to the margin we hold. That extra buffer means you have room to maneuver without risking liquidation. It's also why the recovery strategy is a tool for planned, calm decision-making, not emotional revenge trading. You can even combine this with partial profits. Once recovered trade turns profitable, you could take half off the table to lock in gains, then ride the rest with a break-even stop. That way, you're not just recovering, you're turning the situation into a win. The key takeaway? Recovery is not about saving every trade. It's about knowing when the conditions are right to press your advantage and when to step back. Sometimes the smartest move is to close the trade, take the small loss, and wait for the next high probability setup. But when the market gives you the chance, and your plan says go, recovery can be a powerful way to keep your win rate high and your losses near zero. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and tell me in the comments if you've ever used a recovery trade and how it went. Jack, your audience is in good hands until you're back. Thanks for watching, happy trading, and I'll see everyone again very soon.